only fools rush in, but I can't help falling in love with you. Shall I stay? Would it be a sin if I can't help falling in love with you? Like a river flows surely to the sea, darling, so it goes. Some things are meant to be. Take my hand, take my whole life too. If I can't help falling in love with you. Like a river flows surely to the sea, darling, so it goes. Some things are meant to be. Take my hand, take my whole life too. If I can't help falling in love with you, if I can't help falling in love with you. Put your head on my shoulder, hold me in your arms, baby. Squeeze me oh so tight, show me that you love me too. Put your lips next to mine, dear. Won't you kiss me once, baby? Just a kiss goodnight, maybe. You and I will fall in love. People say that love's a game you just can't win. If there's a way, I'll find it someday, and then this fool will rush in. Put your head on my shoulder, whisper in my ear, baby, words I want to hear. Tell me that you love me too. Put your head on my shoulder, whisper in my ear, baby, words I want to hear, baby, put your head on my shoulder.
I've been in love so many times, thought I knew the score, but now you've treated me so wrong, I can't take anymore, and it looks like I'm never gonna fall in love again. All those things I heard about you, I thought they were only lies, but when I caught you in his arms, I just broke down and cried. I broke up all inside, and it looks like I'm never gonna fall in love. Oh, yeah. But don't make me fall in love. No, I'm never gonna fall in love. Please don't make me fall in love. Oh, yeah.
Listen to the rhythm of the falling rain, telling me just what more I feel. I wish that it would go and let me cry in vain, and let me be alone again. The only girl I care about has gone away, looking for a brand new start. But little does she know that when she left that day, along with her she took my heart. Rain, please tell me now that is fair, for her she stole my heart away when she don't care. I can live the night away, my heart somewhere far away. The only girl I care about has gone away, looking for a brand new start. But little does she know that when she left that day, along with her she took my heart. Listen to the rhythm of the falling rain, telling me just what will I feel. I wish that it would go and let me cry in vain, and let me be alone again. Rain, won't you tell her that I love her so? Please ask the sun to set her heart on gold. Rain in her heart and let the love in you start to grow. The only girl I care about has gone away, looking for a brand new start. But little does she know that when she left that day, along with her she took my heart. Oh, listen to the falling rain, oh, listen, listen, falling rain. Oh, listen, listen to the falling rain. Oh,
Softly, I will leave you softly, for my heart would break if you should wake and see me go. So I leave you softly, long before you miss me. long before your arms can let me stay for one more hour or one more day. After all the years, I can't bear the tears to fall so softly as I leave you there. Long before your arms can beg me stay for one more hour or one more day. I can't bear the tears to fall so softly as I leave you there. As I leave you there. As I leave you
I wondered, should I go or should I stay? The band had only one more song to play, and then I saw you at the corner of my eye. A little girl alone and so shy. I had the last waltz with you. Two lonely people together. I fell in love with you. The last waltz should last forever. But the love we had was going strong. Through the good and bad we'd get along. And then the flame of love died in your eyes. My heart was broken too when you said goodbye. I had the last waltz with you. Two lonely people together. I fell in love with you. The last waltz should last forever. It's all over.
Where do I begin to tell the story of how great a love can be? The sweet love story that is older than the sea. The simple truth about the love she brings to me. Where do I start? With her first hello, she gave a meaning to this empty world of mine. There'd never be another love, another time. She came into my life and made the living fine. Where do I start? She fills my heart with very special things, with angel songs, with wild imaginings. She fills my soul with so much love that anywhere I go, I'm never lonely with her along. Who could be lonely? I reach for her hand, it's always there. How long does it last? Can I be measured by the hours in a day? I have no answer now, but this much I can say. I know I need her till the stars all burn away, and she'll be there. How long does it last? Can love be measured by the hours in a day? I have no answers now, but this much I can say. I know I need her till the stars all burn away, and she'll be there. You hold me in your eyes, in your own special way. I wonder how you know the things I never say. I can't imagine life without you by my side. The power of your love is all I need tonight. I know there have been times I have caused you pain. I turn them all around. If I can start again, there's something I must say. I know it's overdue. The sweetest thing I've known, oh, ever called my own, begins and ends with you. How I love you, how I love you. The softness of your lips, the color of your hair, the memory of your touch remains when you're not there. The echo of your laughter when I'm feeling blue, the meaning of my life, it all begins with you. Come into my arms, lay down by my side. The moon is always there to keep our love alight. I've reached so very high, for everything that's mine, and at the top is you. I want you for all time, a dream forever new. How I love you, how I love you. The softness of your lips, the color of your hair, the memory of your touch remains when you're not there. The echo of your laughter when I'm feeling blue, the meaning of my life, it all begins with you. Come into my arms, lay down by my side. The moon is always there to keep our love alight. You know me like a book you've read 1,000 times. We know each other's hearts, we read each other's minds. This feeling's always new. How I love you, how I love you. My life, it all begins with you. Come into my arms, lay down by my side. The moon is always there to keep our love alive. You know me like a book you've read 1,000 times. We know each other's hearts, we read each other's minds. This feeling's always new. How I love you.
I don't know why you said goodbye. Just let me know you didn't go forever, my love. Please tell me why you make me cry. I beg you please, I'm on my knees if that's what you want me to. Never knew that it will go so far. Come again, you will release my pain, and we could be lovers again. Just one more chance, another dance, and let me feel it isn't real that I've been losing you. The sun will rise within your eyes. Come back to me and we will be happy together. Never knew that it will go so far. Why you left me all that gonna fall? Come again, you will release my pain, and we could be lovers again. Maybe today I'll make you stay a little while, just for a smile and love together. for I will show a place I know in Tokyo where we could be happy forever. Never knew that it would go so far. Why you left me all that put afar? Come again, you would release my pain, and we could be lovers again.
Walk away, please go, before you throw your life away. Life that I could share for just a day. We should have met some years ago. For your sake I say, walk away, just go. Walk away and live a life that's full with no regret. Don't look back at me, just try to forget. Why build a dream that cannot come true? So be strong, reach the stars now. Walk away, walk on. If I heard your voice, I beg you to stay. So don't say a word, just to run away. Goodbye, my love. My tears will fall now that you've gone. I can't help but cry, but I must go on. I'm sad that after searching so long, I love you, but told you, walk away, walk on, walk on.
In my heyday, young girls wrote to me. Everybody seemed to have time to devote to me. Everyone I saw all swore they knew me once upon a song. Main attraction, couldn't buy a seat. The celebrities would die to meet. I've had every accolade bestowed on me, and so you see, if I never sing another song, it shouldn't bother me. I've had my share of fame. You know my name. If I never sing another song or take another bow, I should get by, but I'm not sure how. Always posing, but you love it all, though you have to learn to act like you're above it all. Everything I did, the world applauded once upon a star. Frame citations hang on every wall. I've got a scrapbook full of quotes I can't recall at all. There were times I felt the world belonged to me, and so you see, if I never sing another song, it shouldn't bother me. I've had my share of fame. You know my name. If I never sing another song or take another bow, I should get by, but I'm not sure how. La 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 la. I should get by, but I'm not sure how.
Speak softly, love, and hold me warm against your heart. I feel your words and tender trembling moments start. We're in the world, our very own, sharing a love that only few have ever known. Wine-colored days warmed by the sun, deep velvet nights when we are one. Speak softly, love, so no one hears us but the sky. The vows of love we make will live until we die. My life is yours, and all because you came into my world with love, so softly, love. the sky. The vows of love we make will live on till we die. My life is yours, and all because you came into my world with love. So softly, I'm sure it might have grown old, like most young things usually do, and dangling a line to try and find your mind. For that I can't blame you. Now I'm not questioning your motives for all the silly things you've done, but now you're coming round, putting yourself down, telling me I always was the one. It sure took a long time to miss me, a long time for you to come around, a long time to find what was wrong. Sure took a long, long time. The magic that we had together seems so much stronger than before. What did I learn to make the love return? Oh girl, I've got to learn some more. It sure took a long time to miss me, a long time for you to come around, a long time to find what was wrong. Sure took a long, long time. It 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 took a long, long. What you came here to say, you've said. The time you had alone and got it all straight in your head. And this is the time you said you'd choose. I guess I lose. And now the truth has settled in my heart. To watch you walk away is gonna be the hardest part. So don't just turn around and leave. Do one last thing for me. Please let me leave you you go. It's gonna hurt us both, I know, but at least you've got somewhere else to go. When you leave, I'll be alone, just alone. So please let me leave you. What difference would it make? No one will ever know. Oh, please let me leave you. Then I won't have to watch you go. Let me leave you. What difference would it make? No one will ever know. Let me leave you. Then I won't have to watch you go. Let me leave you. Oh, please, let me leave you. Please, let me leave you. Please, let me.
She sang a good song. I heard she had a style, and so I came to see her, to listen for a while. And there she was, this young girl, a stranger to my eyes, strumming my pain with her fingers, singing my life with her words, killing me softly with her song, killing me softly with her song, telling my whole life with her words, killing me softly with her song. I felt all flushed with fever, embarrassed by the crowd. I felt she found my letters and read each one out loud. I prayed that she would finish, but she just kept right on, strumming my pain with her fingers, singing my life with her words, killing me softly with her song, killing me softly with her song, telling my whole life with her words, killing me softly with her song. She sang as if she knew me in all my dark despair. And then she looked right through me as if I with her song telling my whole life, with her words killing me softly, with her song.
Say you found somebody new, but that won't stop my loving you. I just can't let you walk away or get the love I have for you. Guess I could find somebody new, but I don't want no one but you. How can you leave without regret? Am I that easy to forget? Before you leave, be sure you find you want his love much more than mine. 'Cause I just say we never met. If I'm that easy to forget. Wait, Ann. I'll swear she's a movie star. Yes, I could find somebody new, but I don't want no one but you. How can you leave without regret? Am I that easy to forget? Yes, I could find somebody new, but I don't want no one but you. How can you leave without regret? Am I that easy to forget? Here's a familiar sound. I can remember when we walked together, sharing a love I thought would last forever. Moonlight to show the way, so we can follow. Waiting inside her eyes was my tomorrow. Then something changed her mind. Her kisses told me I had no loving arms. Come on, sing it with me. To hold me. Every day I wake up and I start to break up. Lonely as a man without love. Every day I start out, then I cry my heart out. Lonely as a man without love. Every day I wake up, then I start to break up, knowing that it's cloudy above. Every day I start out, then I cry my heart out. Lonely
send home to me. Tell her about my heart that's slowly, slowly dying. Say I can't stop myself from crying. Every day I wake up and I start to break up. Lonely as a man without love. Every day I start out, then I cry my heart out. Lonely as a man without love. Every day I wake up, then I start to break up, knowing that it's cloudy above. Every day I start out, then I cry my heart out. Lonely as a man without love. Every day I wake up, and I start to break up, lonely as a man without love. Every day I start out, then I cry my heart out, lonely as a man.
And I love you so. People ask me how I live till now. I tell them I don't know. I guess they understand how lonely life has been. But life be good again. The day you took my hand. And yes, I know how lonely life can be. The shadows follow me, and the night won't set me free. But I don't let the evening get me down. Now that you're around me. And you love me too. Your thoughts are just for me. You set my spirit free. I'm happy that you do. The book of life is brief, and once the page is read, oh, but life is there. That is my belief. And yes, I know how lonely life can be. The shadows follow me, and the night won't set me free. But I don't let the evening get me down. Now that you're around me.
From Russia with love I fly to you, much wiser since my goodbye to you. I traveled the world to learn I must return from Russia with love. I've seen places, faces, and smiled for a moment, but oh, you haunted me so. Still my tongue-tied young pride would not let my love for you show, in case you'd say no to Russia. I flew, but there and then I suddenly knew you'd care again. My running around.
They tell me you are back in town, looking good and looking round, acting just a little strange, like something inside you has changed. They say you're asking about me. Am I well and am I free? And would I take you back again? Well, this is how it is, old friend. I don't wanna want you anymore. I don't wanna need you like I needed you before. I don't wanna love the way you love. I don't wanna want you anymore. Those sleepless nights I lay like stone, knowing you were not alone, hurt me in so many ways. All that's left for me to say is I don't wanna want you anymore. I don't wanna need you like I needed you before. I don't wanna love the way you love. I don't wanna want you anymore. I don't wanna want you anymore. I don't wanna need you like I needed you before. I don't wanna love the way you love. I don't wanna want you anymore.
Lonely table just for one. in a bright and crowded room. While the music has begun, I drink to memories in the blue. Though the music's still the same, it has a bittersweet refrain. So play the song the way it used to be, before she left and changed it all to sadness. And maybe if she's passing by the window, she will hear our love song and the melody. And even if the words are not so tender, she will always remember the way it used to be. Friends stop by and say hello, and I laugh and hide the pain. It's quite easy till they go. Then the song begins again. So play the song the way it used to be, before she left and changed it all to sadness. And maybe if she's passing by the window, she will hear our love song and the melody. And even if the words are not so tender, she will always remember the way it used to be. We stand here at the crossroads of our fate. We must decide which way we're going, whether to live or to die. Each time we mustn't let it get too late. I feel a wind of change is blowing. We gotta choose, you and I. One world where you have a place to call your own, and you never have to stand alone. Surely we all belong together. One world on this tiny crowded star in space. Why can't we be one human race and let the flag of peace unfurl on one world? A child, he knows the way it ought to be, and sees in every face his brother. It could be me, could be you. I know somewhere in love we'll find the key, so we can reach out to each other. The dream can come true. One world where you have a place to call your own, and you never have to stand alone. Surely we all belong together. One world on this tiny crowded star in space. Why can't we be one human race and let the flag of peace unfurl on one world?
Where you have a place to call your own, and you never have to stand alone. Surely we all belong together.
So come on, wanna hear the people say, I got a song to sing today. We're gonna let the music play. In one world where you have a place to call your own, and you never have to stand alone. Surely we all belong together. One world on this tiny, crowded star in space. Why can't we be one human race? And let the flag of peace unfurl on one world. I'm trying so hard to forget you and leave the life we had behind. And there are times I feel the day has come. I've chased you from my mind, but I'm afraid there's always something that sets me back and makes me see you're more than just a memory in the past. You're still a part of me. So how do I stop loving you? Forget things that we used to do. Forget all the dreams that we shared, and how my life was knowing you cared. Why do I end up where I start each time I try? Just tell me how I can forget, so I can say goodbye. I'm tired of all the lonely evenings and all the many times I cried. I'm tired of wondering what I might have done to keep you by my side, and reaching out across your pillow, I start remembering you're gone. And though I know that we could never be, the pain in me goes on. So how do I stop loving you? Forget things that we used to do. Forget all the dreams that we shared, and how my life was knowing you cared. Why do I end up where I start each time I try? Just tell me how I can forget, so I can say goodbye. So how do I stop loving you? Please tell me why. I find it so hard to forget, and hard to say goodbye.
my soul, feel it in my soul. Never separated you and me. Broken made whole, broken made whole. The world that tries to steal our hope tries to make us numb, but our love has overcome. And you, my dear, you are my prize. When I look into your eyes, love overflow, I'm never letting go. All my life I give to you, love breakthrough, I'm never letting go. Never ceasing, our love grows, ever increasing, I won't let you go. Hearts of fire, through and through. Follow me, I'll follow you. We will pursue everything together, do. Tests and trials, love renew. Yeah, we've made it, we've always been proven true. We've always been proven true. Still the world that tries to steal our hope tries to make us numb, but our love has overcome. And you, my dear, you are my prize. When I look into your eyes, love overflow, I'm never letting go. All my life I give to you, love breakthrough, I'm never letting go. Never ceasing, our love grows, ever increasing, never letting go. All my life I give to you, love breakthrough, I'm never letting go. Never ceasing, our love grows, ever increasing, I won't let you go. We were made for each other.